Hey, I'm Tony King from Zerion, and today I'm going to give you an Epic or Eclipse tip. Today's tip is going to be about exceptional sales. And this particular tip is really useful when it comes to excluding items from your demand calculation. There's sometimes when you have sales orders that are really large, they're not normal, and you'll either want to exclude one item or you might even want to exclude the entire order. Really, really helpful. There's multiple ways that you can do that, and I'm going to show you that to you today. I'll start with eTerm and open up a recent sales order. I'll put my cursor on the line item that I want to mark as exceptional. I can hit Alt-S, tab over to the type field. In the type field, I'm going to mark it as an E for exceptional. Another option is you can go to Alt-Q for inquiries, Alt-H for history ledger. You can tab over to the type field here, and you can do this as well. One more way is for you to go to the header screen. You can go to additional option, go to additional header information, and you can mark the entire generation or order as exceptional here, just by marking it as a yes. Escape out, save your order. Now let's show it to you in Solar. It's the same process. I'm going to go to a recent sales order. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to schedule, and under the type field I'm going to mark it as an E for exceptional. Close the window, go back to the body screen. I'm going to right click. In this case I'm going to go to inquiries. I'm going to go to inventory history ledger, put my cursor in the type field and mark it as exceptional. Close your screen, and then I can go to the header tab. I can go to additional header information. And on the right hand side there's a checkbox for exceptional sale. I can simply check that box. That'll allow me to mark this entire order as exceptional. Close my screen, save my changes, and close the order and accept the changes here. Pretty cool how you can make those modifications to the sales orders for exceptional in multiple different ways. But I think you'll find it really, really useful because there are so many unique situations that happen in distributors. You don't have to redo an order. You can just go back. You can modify it whenever. You can exclude just one item. You can exclude the entire order. Really helpful because sometimes these orders end up getting your purchasing calculations out of whack. They're hard to deal with. You keep dealing with these orders again and again, and this is a quick way to solve the problem so it's not a problem going forward. Hope this tip helps you guys today. Hope you have a great day.